It's early morning. You see the sun. I wanna show you the it's a nice sun. The sun is just coming out. A nice sun. It's hot. Already at 6:30 only. That's why I'm gonna drink my coffee here outside. So that I can have early sunlight. I need to comb my hair. While I'm combing my hair, I have sunlight at the same time. My hair it's hard to comb, especially when I just wake up. Nice. When you see the sun, it's very nice. The sun outside. I want to take a picture. Wala na. There. See. You guys, we have sunlight at early morning so that later, because very hot already at 7:30, it's very hot. I'm eating paratha with egg. I wrap the egg inside the paratha.